about Chapter 4, Numeration Systems Development. A. Description of Ancient History of Mathematics. The numeration system is a set of symbols and basic rules for writing numbers. The symbol that represents a number is called the numeral system of the number. Symbols that represent a number are called numerals. According to history, when humans began to recognize when writing or historical era and carried counting activities, they were confused about how to give the number symbol. So then we need a numeration system, that is a system consisting of a numeral, one, or symbol of numbers and numbers. The numeration system is a rule for expressing or writing numbers using a number of number symbols. Number itself is an undefined abstract idea. The next subchapter is B, concept in numeration system. First, additive rules do not use the rule of place, and the value of a symbol is obtained from adding the values of the main symbols. The symbols is the same. The value is the same whenever it is located. Second, simple grouping rules. Every symbol used have the values and has an additive rules. Third, rule of place. Fourth, the next subchapter is numeration system civilization. First, ancient Athenian numerical system, maybe over 3000 before Christ. According to history, the Athenians are one of the most highly cultured nations. This can be seen from the very large buildings, such as pyramid buildings, sphinx, and the famous obelisk. Of course, the building was made by very intelligent human hands, because only a nation with high culture can create a magnificent building. Texts such as the Rhine mathematical papyrus and the Moscow mathematical papyrus show that ancient Athenians could calculate the four basic mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using fractions, calculate the volume of cube and pyramids, and calculate the area of squares, triangles, circles, and spheres. The ancient Athenians used a number system since the first dynasty, around 2850 before Christ, and the symbol of the ancient Athenian system are called hieroglyphics. Athenian numerals use decimal base number or base 10. For number 1, manifest in the form of sticks 1 to 9 still use 9 sticks or sticks. However, the number 10 has a special symbol or heel bone, and etc. One fundamental difference between the Roman and Athenian numeral system is that the Athenian numeral system is the position or place of the symbol is not important. That is, the basic symbol has the same meaning regardless of its position in the number. An example of writing the number 2276 in hieroglyphics is seen on a stone carving from Kamak, dating from around 1500 before Christ. Hieroglyphs have not remained the same throughout the 2000 years or so of the ancient Athenian civilization. The civilization is broken down into three dynastic periods. First, Old Kingdom around 2700 before Christ to 2200 before Christ. Evidence of the use of mathematics in the Old Kingdom is scarce, but can be inferred from the example notes on a wall near the mastaba at Medium, which give clues to the slope to the mastaba. The lines of the diagram are spaced 1 pinch apart and show the use of unit of measurement. Second, the Middle Kingdom around 1600 before Christ or to 1000 before Christ. The earliest correct mathematical documents are dated between the 12th dynasty. The Rhine mathematical papyrus date to the intermediate period based on the old mathematical text from the 12th dynasty. The Moscow mathematical papyrus and the Rhine mathematical papyrus are mathematical problems texts, consists of a collection of problems with solution. This text may have been written by a teacher or a student involved in solving mathematical problems. The next dynastic era is the New Kingdom around 1600 before Christ until 1000 before Christ. During the New Kingdom, mathematical problems are mentioned in Anisah Papyrus 1 and Wilbur mentioned in Wilbur Papyrus from the time of Ramesses III records land measurement. The hieroglyphic numbers differ somewhat in different periods but generally have similar style. Another number symbol used by the Athenians after the invention of writing on papyrus consists of hierarchy numerals where each number had a distinct symbol. So there was no repetition. They developed a symbol after which has a lot of symbols. The rules for writing the ancient Athenian numeral system is: first, they're not familiar with zero symbol. Second, using an additive system, or the value of the number is equal to the sum of the value of each symbols used, and the value of some symbols is the same even though it's located different. Third, using a simple grouping system. The following is ancient Athenian numerical system. Second one is Babylonian numerical system era around 2000 before Christ. At the time, people wrote number with a piece of wood on table made of clay or chai tables. Babylonian script or numerals are often referred to as cuneiform because they are shaped like nails. The Babylonians wrote cuneiform using an elongated triangular shaped stick or triangular prism by tapping it on a wet slab of earth to produce a tapered triangular basin resembling a nail. The first people who recognized the inheritance of numbers were Babylonians. Babylonian numeral system about 2400 before Christ is also called the sexagesimal system because it used 60 base 60 taken from Sumer. Sexagesimal still exists today in the form of degrees, minutes, and seconds in trigonometry and measurement of time, which is a legacy of Babylonian culture. And we can see the symbol of the Babylonian numeral system are like this. The third one, ancient Greek numerical system around 6600 before Christ. Now, the golden age of ancient Greek is estimated to have occurred in 600 before Christ. The Greeks has recognized letters and numbers which were marked by Greek writings on bark or metal so that the writing form looked stiff and strong. At that time, many mathematicians from Greece emerged and there were theoretical findings such as Euclid, Archimedes, and Apollonius. First, ancient Greek Attic. Now, this numeral system developed around 300 before Christ century and are known as acronymic number because the symbols are derived from the first letter of the word that represent the symbol 5, tens, 100, 1,000, and tens of thousands. This writing was found in an area of Greek ruins called Attica. The Attic numeral system is represented simply, where the numbers 1 through 4 are represented by symbol of a stick. Other symbols that underlie the system, namely, the next one is ancient Greek alphabet, used after SN, ancient Greek Attic. Colonial people from Greece have developed a number system, namely the Greek alphabet itself, which contains of 27 letters. The base number they use is 10, and the symbol used in ancient Greek alphabetic numerical system like this. Following is the symbol of ancient Greek numerical system. The next one is Maya numerical system. Maya civilization has settled in the Central American region from about 2000 before Christ. Although the so-called classical period stretched from about 1050 before Christ to 900 before Christ, the writing or number developed by the Mayans are very strange in shape in the form of small circles and lines. It is of course influenced by the stationery used, namely sticks whose cross-section is cylindrical or round, so that by inserting the sticks into the clay it will leave a circular marks, or by placing their levels so that they are aristocratic. The next one is Chinese numeration system around 200 before Christ. Now this numeration system has been around since 200 before Christ. The Chinese wrote the numbers using a writing instrument called a pith, where the shape resembled a brass. The writing is in the form of picture or pictographic that has high artistic value. Now this is the symbol of Chinese numeration system. The next one is Japanese Chinese numerical system. It's around 200 before Christ. This numeration system has been around since 200 before Christ. The Chinese use half numbering system, namely Hindu-Arabic system, and the other two use local numbering called Daxi, which were distinguished for commercial and financial deni and forgery. As for Japan, it also uses the Chinese numeral system, although it differs in pronunciation. After the Japanese Empire began to be influenced by Europe, the Arabic numeral system was used. In the Japanese number system, numbers are divided into groups or 4 digits. 7. Roman numeral system around 100 before Christ. Now the Roman used numbers for their calculation. Roman numeral symbols are written in capital letters which are in line with the tone of the Greeks. In ancient times, the ancient Roman used a separate numbering system that was very different from the numbering system in today's era. Roman numerical system only consists of 7 numbers with certain letter symbol, where each letter symbolizes has a specific number meaning. The numeral system developed around the beginning of AD, which has several basic symbols, namely 1, V, X, L, C, and D, and M, which represent the number 1, 5, 10, 50, 1000, and 100, 100, and 1000 respectively. This system is an adaptation of the Etruscan numerals. The use of Roman numerals persists until the collapse of the Roman Empire around 14th century, and was later largely replaced by the Hindu-Arabic system. The last one is Hindu-Arabic numerical system. Didn't use place value and didn't have a zero symbol. They start using a place value system estimated to have occurred in 500 AD. The Hindu-Arabic numeration system uses a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by the number of fingers, namely 10. Some numbers development using the Hindu-Arabic numeral system are started as follows. First, decimal number system. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system uses 10 basic symbols because this system is based on the base 10 system. It is referred to as 1 with the decimal symbol. The second one is non-decimal number system. The fact that our current system of calculation is a decimal number system may be due to this number of fingers being approximately 10. If the manual was complete with 12 fingers, it is possible that a numeral system with a base of 12 would be used. But it is not difficult to create a Hindu-Arabic numeral system for a whole number more than 1. And goodbye!